How to log into the KuCoin app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into KuCoin on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into the KuCoin app on your iPad, it's actually quite simple. Make sure you go ahead and then first of all you have downloaded the correct KuCoin application on your iPad, and then go ahead and then open it up like this. Once you open it up, you might actually see a vertical layout depending upon the generation of iPad you're using. So if you're using either of those layouts, you might want to actually flip it. So let me also go ahead and then do that here. And once I do this, over here you can just tap the allow option, and now you can just tap the go option here. Now to log in, at the very top you'll be able to find the login option here, so make sure to tap the login button, and then make sure to simply enter your email address and your password. So depending upon your account details, go ahead and make sure to enter your email and your password. If you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password option here, or you can directly tap the login option here and then log in to your KuCoin account. This way you'll be able to log into KuCoin. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.